Hi everyone, welcome back to Somar's Cooking. Today I will be making rice pudding with taro and coconut milk. The coconut milk or the coconut cream sauce is slightly thick, sweet and salty. This dessert is very delicious. The texture is soft and chewy. Okay, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. First, peel off the skin of the taro. The taro I use is only 1 pound. In my country, we call this taro is yellow taro. Do you have it in your country? You can let me know in the comment box below. After peeling off the skin, clean it well and cut it into small cubes. After that, you can bring a half pot of water to a boil and we will steam these cubes. We will steam the taro for 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, the taro is cooked. Okay, everything is prepared, so now we can start making the flour mixture. We need a medium pot and then we'll put 1 cup of rice flour, half cup of sugar, half teaspoon of salt, then mix dry ingredients well. Next, pour 2 cups of water. Stir to combine it well. This is coconut milk. I use 2 cups. Then you can stir to combine everything again. Now let's turn on medium-low heat. You have to stir it over heat until it turns thick. Stir it for about 5 minutes, it will turn clumps. So keep stirring until it's completely thick. The texture is thick now, but you still can see the clumps, so continue stirring. When the texture turns smooth, put steamed taro in. Then you have to combine it well and keep stirring until it stops sticking to the pot. Now it stops sticking to the pot, so turn off the heat. Pudding is ready, so you can transfer it into the molds or banana leaf. You can press it firmly. Then we can keep the pudding in room temperature or in the fridge for 2 or 3 hours. Now it's time to make sweet and salty coconut cream sauce. First, add 1 cup of coconut milk. Stir coconut milk over medium heat a little bit. Coconut milk turn warm, so add 1 tablespoon sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Stir to dissolve it. Coconut mixture is boiling now. We will mix half tablespoon cornstarch with water and mix it well and then pour it into the mixture. Keep stirring the coconut milk while pouring the cornstarch mixture in, otherwise it will turn lump or clumps. For now, coconut cream sauce turns thick and boiling, so you can remove it from the stove. And look at the pudding, it sets. So you can put the coconut cream sauce on top. To make our pudding look attractive, you can put steamed taro on top. And lastly is roasted sesame seeds. The pudding is done. The texture is soft and chewy. I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you so much for watching and see you in the next delicious recipes. Bye!